I turned $450 into over $5,000 trading Forex. Here's how I did it. To make this flip, I traded two setups, the first one being on AUD/USD. These were sold trades I'd been holding for a while, but I came to close them because the market bias was changing. I closed my sell trades to open buy trades because price had created a bullish divergence, and a bullish divergence is an indication of a potential bullish reverse. By using an awesome oscillator, I was able to identify this divergence, and I added on other factors of confluence like the support zone that had been created and the bullish rejection from the zone. So for this second setup, I was risking about $1,000, about 30% of the account, and this was not as risky as the first sell trades because the first sell setup was a full margin setup. So this is what my entries look like after I placed them. Let's see how this trade played out. On a side note, please take note that these are my only social media handles so that you don't get scammed. After the divergence formed, price reversed as I had anticipated, had a running profit of over $2,000. This is the profit I was aiming for the second trade, and I was happy with it, so I went ahead and I closed all my positions. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more trading content.